Alpha 1830, reduce speed to be opera 220 knots, indicated 180 on the local ISO. Reduce speed to be 180 on the local ISO, 180. Panamedia 301, identificado a 1400, ¿hay intenciones?
Delta Bravo is descending 130, about 0 knots with the arrival. Reducing speed 240, and we have information in India.
Runway 1 Delta Bravo, 8 confirm if you have ground contact already.
So we have ground insight, runway 1 Delta Bravo.
Runway 1 Delta Bravo, maintaining on separation with the ground, descend on discretion, QNH 1013, fly Vilna 10 DME, clear ILS approach. So 180. Y hay ejercicios de paracaidismo también. First contact tower 11855, goodbye. Tower 1855, you want to have bye.
Alicia Approach, good morning, with 6 Kilo, descending to flight level 150.
Morning gate, Charlie Kilo, buenas radar contact. Clear to flight level 100. 95, Oxen, 1 Bravo, Rosa Pamela, etc. Vuelo 3695, buenas, contacto radar, suba nivel de vuelo 7, de 666. 125, decimal 180, vamos. Una espera en ópera. Ópera, señor, reaching ópera, una espera en ópera, Cuco 502. Dígame, entre en pista que tengo, notifique libre de AP9.